there to all the lovely mommies on the go. I am Chetna Narayan and I'm a mum, professional and an entrepreneur. My company Big Little Things constantly focuses on finding fun activities that you can do with your child on an everyday basis. These activities are fun, educational, and they also have a little bit of science in it. We are super excited to be on Mommy on the Go. Hi there and welcome back to our channel Mommy on the Go. Well, you know summer is here when you're hot, sweaty and tired all the time. I'm here to take off the heat a little bit with this cool activity. Things required for our frozen science activity are small toys, a few small bowls, baking soda, vinegar, a tray and a toy hammer. The setup for this activity is pretty simple. Take some baking soda in a bowl and put a small toy in it. Fill it up with water and freeze it. That's it. Once frozen, take it out, put it out on a tray with some vinegar and a toy hammer. Be sure to place a bowl of salt next to it as well. Once the toy is frozen, take it out of the freezer and put it on to a baking tray. Now, here's where the science begins. Pour the vinegar into a squeeze bottle and hand it over to your child. Pour the vinegar over the frozen toy. You will soon see the ice starts to melt and tiny bubbles form. If your baking soda is strong enough, you would see a little bit of fizz as well. Now, if you want to quicken the rescuing of the toy part, sprinkle a little bit of salt over the toy and watch it eat up the ice. Once you've finished all the vinegar that you have with you, hand over the toy hammer to your child and ask them to hammer away and rescue their favorite toy. This little activity can keep them going for hours.
Yay! The starfish is rescued!
Now, if you and your child are up for a slightly bigger challenge, I recommend you freeze several layers of toys. Now, how do you do this? You freeze one layer, wait for it, place another set of toys, pour it with water, freeze it, take it out, some more toys, some more water, freeze it. Now, finally, when you take out the product, you will have a huge tub of ice toys. Give your child the hammer and let them hammer away. Hope you and your child have enjoyed this activity. For more such fun activities, be sure to check out my website www.biglittlethings.co.in. We at Mommy on the Go are very excited to bring you many more such interesting and fun activities. So be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. That's all for now. Ciao!
Mommy on the go!
Like, subscribe, and hit the